Hi guys, Nigel here with Adrian. In our last video we were working on a Golf, so we're back on that after Easter, hoping you all had a great Easter break. I know I did. I went mountain biking, which was super fun. Anyway, in our last video we were talking about a Golf that was towed in with no start, and I think if I recall it had no communication with the computer. So Adrian's done some testing following our process, and we talked a little bit about his learning some stuff. So tell us a little bit about the fuse box, Adrian, and what you found.
So the fuse box, so I found that the majority of the fuses in here aren't at battery voltage, which they should be when the ignition of the car is on. That's where I'm at on this side, and then we also found some issues with the actual computer.
So when Adrian's talking about low battery voltage at the fuse box, so it should have 12 volts going in, and this was the one that had a lot of fuses swapped and missing. The owner wasn't sure why that was, but something at some point in the past has happened. So a lot of the fuses, instead of having 12 volts, have 1 volt or 2 volts or 0 volts, which then translates over to the engine management computer having missing voltage as well. So the next step in this will be to get that new fuse box, or central convenience module, I think they call it. That'll go in the car. We can then put all the fuses and relays back in their right spot and retest the computer and see what happens. So we don't know the reason why the fuse box is dead, which we usually like to find, but it is dead. We'll put a new one in, and we'll progress down the path of finding out what the next step is if that's not the only problem. So hopefully that will be it, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye.